Hi there, I'm Rai from Vanimal, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble our Ulti-Rack Rear racking system. Now the tools that you're going to need are an impact driver and a PH2 bit. Now we have everything laid out, we're ready to start assembling. So starting with the base, we have the rough side on the inside of the shelf and the smooth on the out. You're going to get the support, the shelving support, and that's going to slot in. Do the same again on the opposite side. Then we're going to lift this shelf into these two grooves along here. Now that we've done that, we're going to fold the unit forward and grab the back panel. So the back section, again, the rough side is on the inside. Pop that on and line the shelves up with the grooves. So we need to secure the back panel in 6 locations. Those locations are marked out with the screws. Now we can lay it onto its back and start mounting the front panels. So we're mounting the front fascias on, the smooth side is facing us. And now we can lift the bottom fascia on. I'm going to secure that as well with 6 screws. These are pre-marked. We have this section together now, so we're ready to move on to the next. That's building the shelf that goes just above this and the top shelf. So I'll pull this back and we'll get onto that. Now to assemble these shelves, the process is the same. Only the base that goes on this one has 2 slots. That goes onto the main core. So we get the back, slot that in, and then get the one with our logo on, and that goes on the front. Now I'll pop this to one side and we'll do the top shelf. The process is exactly the same. Now the top shelf, we're going to flip that over and secure it in 4 corners. That's one here, one here, one here, and one here. Now we're ready to mount the shelf. That's the one with the logo onto the core. That's simply these 2 dowels here slot into this base. Now I'm going to secure that with 2 screws, one here and one down here. We've got the top shelf on, so we'll now lift that up onto its side and mount the side panel. So grab the side panel. Again, the rough side is on the inside and the smooth side is on the outside. We'll now line the shelves up with the slotted grooves. Now with 6 screws, we're going to secure the side panel to the core. Now I've laid them out in the positions that they need to go. Now the screw positions are going to be 15 to 20 mil away from where the wood comes through the side panel. Now we'll turn it over and we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Now we're going to pop the racking onto its base and mount the top shelf. Just going to line this up left to right, and then the front of it comes parallel to the front of the shelf. Now to secure the top shelf to the racking, we're going to use 4 screws, 2 on either side. This completes the assembly of the Ulti-Rack Rear racking system. Thank you for watching.